You know those precious moments when your feline healer curls up on your chest and releases nature's most calming, therapeutic purrs, melting away anxiety, reducing stress, and activating powerful natural healing responses pharmaceutical companies would rather you didn't know about? Scientific research now validates what cat parents have known for centuries. The precise vibrational frequency of a cat's purr, specifically between 25 and 150 Hz, accelerates tissue regeneration, reduces inflammation, improves bone density, and stimulates endorphin release essential for optimal mental health and emotional wellness. So we've prepared a curated collection of cat purrs you can enjoy with your kitty. The medically proven benefits of these feline frequencies go far beyond relaxation. Some tones promote advanced neurological calm, others enhance cellular repair at the DNA level, and many help restore balance to your nervous system and hormone regulation. Clinical studies published in the International Journal of Veterinary Medicine have shown these vibrational patterns can lower blood pressure, eliminate symptoms of anxiety disorders, reduce cortisol levels, and significantly speed recovery from surgery and chronic conditions. This explains the overwhelming number of healing testimonials our exclusive community continues to share. Interestingly, cats themselves find purring deeply therapeutic. Mama cats soothe their kittens with healing purrs, and bonded felines often purr during grooming or while napping together, suggesting even cats seek out the calming benefits of these sound frequencies. That's why we recommend watching this video with your cat. So settle into your cozy spot with your fur baby and let these wellness frequencies work their magic, mind, body, and spirit. Drop a comment and share how your cat's purrs have supported emotional healing, physical recovery, or stress relief for you or someone you love. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And of course, while countless cat parents report transformative effects from purring therapy, this video is intended for educational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional for your health needs. Now, time for our purr therapy.